Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. I'm Vidu. Today I'm refreshing a little corner of my home, giving this cabinet a rustic touch and creating something special for my daughter. Remember from my last vlog, I shifted this cabinet near the sofa. The top area looked a little worn, needing some care. A gentle sanding, smoothing out the scratches, and here I'm applying the brown color chalk paint to give it a rustic look. Even the door needed a little touch up, and with pets at home, these scratches are completely normal. Wiping the door with a wet cloth and then painting the required areas. Now I'll apply the second coat, allow it to dry completely. And then it was spa day for my baby. She picked up few fleas recently, so after her bath, she needed some medication. She always looks so calm during a bath, but the real excitement comes after. While she was at the spa, I visited a space to pick up accessories for my daughter's t-shirts. I had a DIY idea in my mind. It's fun imagining what small details could become. When I went to pick her up, she was so happy. That excitement, it never gets old. Back home, I opened a gift my son had sent. It's amazing how a small surprise can instantly brighten the day. Not because of the gift itself, but the thought behind it. Next, the curio cabinet needed a bit of attention. Dusting each shelf slowly and placing little showpieces inside. Tiny details like this, they make the space feel thoughtfully put together. These are some of the accessories I had bought from the store. I started working on the t-shirt by adding the little details carefully. By the end of the day, the cabinet feels warmer. My little DIY project is complete. Even my pet seems happy with all the attention she got today. It wasn't a big day, nothing extraordinary happened, but these small moments make a home feel special. Thank you for spending this day with me.